Everything just fell, but you get it. Hello guys, so I am back with a food challenge, and today, can you guess what color? Probably from the title and the color I'm wearing right now. Is this considered neon yellow or green? Because I feel like it's green, I don't know. Let me know. Today I'm only gonna be eating green food for 24 hours. If you guys haven't seen my other videos of me doing this, I did pink food, blue food, and black food. Now I'm doing green food. Love that for me. Okay, when I think of green food, I think of just like veggies and broccoli and veggies pretty much. So probably gonna be a healthy day, but I'm definitely gonna find some sugary stuff because I have a sweet tooth today. Make sure you comment below letting me know what other color you guys want me to do, and I will do it next. Green food was the most requested one, so that's why I'm doing it. Oh, my arm is literally cramping. This is a workout, guys. Okay, I just set you down because my arm is getting tired. I'm so strong. This camera is literally like only 3 pounds. I don't know. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications, being you know to. Sorry about that. Let me repeat that. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just, am I okay? Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will have my @ right here and link down below. Gotta get that promo. Here, I'll show you my outfit. Why did it literally, did you see that? It literally made me turn into a shadow. What? Got my rain jacket on. Let's freaking go. Am I the only one that loves the sound of leaves crunching? Here, I'll do a little. Okay, I'm done. So it's time to go in. That lady's staring at me. Hopefully I find other things that are green. I literally can't think of anything except veggies. Okay, so let's go inside and get some green food. So far, there's so much green food. I'm confused. I feel like this is like the easiest one so far. Love that. I ran into my dad at the grocery store and look how much wine he grabs. He's about to get lit. There's so much green food right here, but I don't want any of this. No. Okay, I did not know they had edamame and spinach noodles. I don't know which one to choose. Okay, this one looks like it would taste a lot better. So let's do edamame. Broccoli rice. I've never seen this before. See any green cereal. Oh, apple, no. Oh my gosh, Sour Patch Kids cereal. Oh, Apple Jacks. I guess I could take out the orange ones, right? You already know. And the blue one sold out, of course. So much green food in this cart. You're totally free. We got all the groceries. Holy crap. You guys know the drill, so off to Starbucks. Oh my god, it's so bumpy. Hello, thanks for choosing Starbucks. Can I get a tall matcha latte? Thank you. The lighting is so bad. What is happening today? What's going on? I feel like today I'm just a shadow. Hello. Thank you. Like, my camera settings are how they usually are. I don't know why. Like, hi, what's up? This is not okay. Hello, I think we're good. I hope. First thing that we are having is a green tea latte, which is a matcha latte, and these are really good. I just got almond milk in it, so I used to get this all the time. Yup. I feel like it tastes better with regular milk, but I cannot have that much dairy, so we got almond milk. I'm so hungry. Cheers. For breakfast, we're gonna have this Jamba Juice smoothie, and I'm gonna pick out all the green Apple Jacks. Let's make this. I thought it'd be nice to come outside because it's really pretty. Let's try this green smoothie. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Say hello. He needs to get a haircut super bad, like he can barely see. Now I need to separate the Apple Jacks. I forgot I'm not gonna be able to have it with milk because it's not green. We're gonna have some dry Apple Jacks. Okay, why does it look like there's way more orange ones than green ones? Is it just me? I'm just gonna pick out the green ones and eat those. There's like no green ones. Am I losing it? Can dogs have Apple Jacks? Do you want one? I want some too. Watch his face. He like tries to get it. Calm down. He loves them. There's so many orange ones. Why? I'm gonna finish eating this stuff and I will be back for snack time. We have Harvest Snap Green Pea Snack Crisp, which I've already had these before. I used to be obsessed with them and they are so good. I already know these are gonna be bomb. Let's have the seaweed first. Oh yeah. Wait, I'm confused. I love the original one. I don't know why I grabbed the wasabi one. I didn't mean to. I know. I guess we'll just have these Harvest Snaps. I could probably eat the whole bag, to be completely honest. This is what they look like. So good. Yep. I'm gonna eat this whole box. I don't even care. Lately, I've been having such good hair days. Okay, knock on wood. I wanted to share with you guys what I've been using on my hair because my hair has been getting so much healthier. Plus, this video is me only eating green food for a day and my hair products are actually green. Love that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been using this a ton and I love it. It's the Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner. Look at how cool this is. So it says Function of Sarai on it, which I think is so adorable. The packaging is so cute. It comes with pumps too, so if you want to use those. I am partnering with Function of Beauty for this video, but I definitely would be talking about these products anyways because I have been loving them so much. For my hair care, I always like to make sure that they're animal friendly and the ingredients won't harm your hair, like if it has parabens or sulfates and all of that stuff. Those are bad for your hair, and I love how these don't have any bad ingredients for your hair, and they're animal friendly, so we love that. It's really hard for me to find the perfect shampoo and conditioner, and I finally have found one because with Function of Beauty, you can make your own unique formula that's good for your hair type and your hair goals. So it's super easy. You just fill out a 2-minute quiz. My hair is naturally curly. I have medium hair and my scalp is dry. So I chose for my hair goals, deep condition, hydrate, lengthen, replenish hair, and strengthen. And for the fragrance and color, I did nude peach. The smell, ooh. Smell is amazing. You can choose your smell. Even after like 3 days of not washing it, you can still smell this. Also, my mom's actually gonna start using this too because I've been telling her, Mom, you need to get this. We love having good hair because my hair used to be very damaged. So if you guys are interested in getting Function of Beauty products, then click the link down below and you can get 20% off your first order. It's currently available in all of these places and more, so they got you. I'm probably gonna eat this whole box and then I will see you guys for lunchtime. I thought of a brilliant idea, not to toot my own horn or anything. We have chicken Caesar salad, and I also bought spinach wraps. One of my favorite things is chicken Caesar salad wraps. So this plus this chicken Caesar wrap. Let's make this. I sound like such a brat, but I hate when the lettuce like jumps outside of the bowl. Well, not jumps, but you know what I mean? Like does that. So just stay in there, please. Now we're gonna take our wrap. That was nice. So we're gonna take that, put our Caesar stuff in there. Ooh, this actually looks really good. Oh, she's thick. How did the Chipotle employees do this? Oh. I mean, come on. Do you see that? Okay, let's try it. What? Oh, I'm onto something. Oops. I also have my Powerade, so I'm gonna drink this. Like, hi, my tripod fell. Hey guys, what's up? I'm like so lazy to like fix this. It's okay, everything's fine. Everything is fine. That's good. It's in melon. Okay, so I'm gonna finish eating this because this is amazing. We're also gonna have these key lime flavored yogurt pretzels, so let's try this. Wow, 10 out of 10, I'm not even kidding. I'm getting hungry, so I'm thinking it's dinner time. So let's go get some dinner. Let's go get some dinner. Ew, this angle's not cute. Ew. So let's have pesto tortellini. And then we're gonna try out the broccoli rice. I'm still shocked that this is even a thing. Oh my God, you can microwave both of these. I love that. Whoa. Dinner is about to be so easy. The tortellini is in the microwave, and for the broccoli rice, all you have to do is tear 2 inches and put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. Also, you guys don't want to miss out. We're gonna be having mochi for dessert, so stay tuned. So excited for that. This smells so good. Woo! Whoa, that is so weird. This does not look green. Totally forgot I had this. Okay guys, we're gonna eat in my, I call this area of my room my Zen corner. I hate myself, okay? But you know, there's vibes over here. You see? And I have a diffuser. I just spilled my diffuser everywhere. Like, I'm fine. I feel like you can see my nipple. I'm really, really struggling. The leaf. Are we good? I think we're good. Gosh. Dinner time. My goodness gracious, guys. So, we got dinner. Wait, no. Also got our ice. Oh, we love her. We need to get thumbnail. Let's try the pesto tortellini thing. That is what it looks like. Wow. Yep, that is so good. And there's like cheese inside it. Oh, I have a piece of my hair in my mouth. Do you see that? My hair. Okay, this is really good. Probably not a good idea that I'm drinking caffeine at nighttime. Oh. Now we need to try the broccoli rice, which I have never heard of. I didn't know this was like a thing. You know the bottoms of broccolis? Like the stem? It tastes like the bottom of those cut in like little squares. Does that make sense? It's all right. But this tortellini, so good. I've been waiting for this moment. It is, ew, I hate that you can see me. I don't know about you guys. I've watched so many ASMR mukbang videos of people eating mochi, and I'm obsessed. Probably would suck at doing it, so I'm not gonna even try. I got the green tea one. My favorite mochi is the pistachio one. That's what it looks like. If you don't know what it is, it's ice cream wrapped in sweet pillowy dough. That's what it says. So that's what it looks like. Oh, it's cold. Ew. I hate when people smack and just like the noise of people eating, and I cannot imagine a video of me doing that. Like, I would lose my mind. I'm gonna have another one. I think that's everything. I feel like this was a lot easier than the other food challenge colors that I've done. I feel like I ate a good amount and it wasn't like super unhealthy. Like the other ones, I feel like I just ate like sugar the whole day and I was not okay after. Make sure you comment below letting me know what color you guys want me to do next, because I will do it. Whichever one has the most thumbs up in the comments below. So make sure you comment what color I should do next, because I will do it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just the little bell thing, so click it. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.